Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to buy crypto on MEXC. So for buying crypto on your MEXC global account, what you need to do first, open your MEXC account on PC. Here at the top, you have some options. Here you can see the option of buy crypto. Just click on it. Once you click on buy crypto button, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of buy and sell. You can buy and sell your crypto here. So here is the full method how to buy cryptocurrencies. By following this, you can easily buy crypto on MEXC. From this page, you can buy crypto on MEXC, and also from this page, you can sell crypto on MEXC Global. So this is the easiest and simplest way to buy crypto on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions regarding to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.